Good morning children. Today start the class for 5th standard maths. Previous class you learned for exercise number 4.2 fill-ups, match, add the following and subtraction. Shall I move now multiplication? Multiply the following first sum 3 liter 200 milliliter multiply by 8 times. So you do for 8 table 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 2 8s are 16, 6, 1 is carry over. 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 1 25. So 25 liter 600 milliliter. Everyone learn the table, easy to do. Then next one, second sum 4 liter 450 milliliter multiply by 4. So do for 4 table, 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20, so 0, 2 is carry over. 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 2 18, 8. 1 is carry over. 4 4s are 16 again. 16 plus 1 17. So you take it out and write first 3 digit for milliliter. 800 milliliter. 17 is a liter. The next one. Third sum. 5 liter 300 milliliter multiply by 5 tables. So you do for 5 table. 5 zeros are 0. Any number you multiply with 0. 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 3s are 15. 5 is here. 1 is carry over. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1 26. Easy to do this multiplication. All are learn the tables. Easy to find out the answer. So 26 liter 500 milliliter. Then last one multiplication. 6 liter 700 milliliter multiply by 6 table. So 6 zeros are 0. 6 zeros are 0. 6 7s are 42. So write down 2. 4 is carry over. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 4 40. So 40 liter 200 milliliter. Divide the following. Already you learned the tables. Do for multiplication. So multiplication get for more number. But division is here. 18 liter 240 milliliter divided by 6 table. So you get the answer 3 liter and 40 milliliter. So given the number 2, answer is smaller. That is do for division. Easy to find out. You get the answer is correct answer. First and take it out and write this. 18 liter and 240. So 18 is coming for 6 table 3 times. 6 3s are 18. So 0. Then next take it out and write the number 24. 6 4s are 24. So write the number 24. Here 0. So you add and write for 0 quotient. So 3 liter and 40 milliliter. Easy to understand children. Already you like class done in the division. Easy to know. 20 liter 600 milliliter divided by 2 tables. So 2 times 2 tens are 20. 0. Then 6 is take it out and write down. 3 2s are 6. So write the number 3. So 6 write down. 0. Then again 2 0 is here. So join and write for quotient 2 zeros. So 10 liter 300 milliliter. 10 liter 300 milliliter. Then next one. Third sum. 21 liter 490 milliliter divided by 7 table. So number take it here 21 and 490. Give the space and write for liter and milliliter. So easy to find out the answer liter and milliliter. That's why given the space. Okay. Then 21 is coming for 7 table 3 times. 3 7s are 21. So 0. Then next 49 take it out and write down. So 49 is coming for 7 table up to 7 times. 7 7s are 49. So write the number 7. 7 7s are 49. 0. Then here 0 is there. That why you write and add and write for quotient 70. So 3 liter 70 milliliter is the answer. Then fourth sum division. Easy to do children. You practice again and again, only you get the answer, correct answer, division and multiplication. So here 25 liter 350 milliliter do for 5 tables. So 5 5s are 25. 0. 35 is take it out and write down. 7 5s are 35. So 0. Here 1 0. So added for quotient. So 5 liter and 70 milliliter. Then next one word problem. Kalayarasi bought 5 liter 500 milliliter of groundnut oil and 750 milliliter of sesame oil. How much amount of oil did she bought in all? So first one word sentence you write now. The amount of groundnut oil, the amount of sesame oil. The amount of groundnut oil is 5 liter 500 milliliter. Sesame oil is 750 milliliter only. So write down for milliliter. Then you get the correct answer. You first find out for liter or milliliter. Arrange the number one by one down correctly. So 0 plus 0, 0. Why you do for addition? This is asking for how much amount of oil bought in all. So you do for total addition. So 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 1 is carry over. So 5 plus 1, 6. So answer total oil amount. Amount of total oil is 6 liter 250 milliliter. This is the answer. Already you studied and done in a online class. Once again I give for the video class also. All the students compulsory you should attend the online live class. You easy to do the sums. I request you all the children must to attend the online class. In a fuel station, there was 70 liter 500 milliliter of fuel. How much amount of fuel will be left after selling for 35 liter 700 milliliter of fuel? Once you read the question, here given for fuel station having the fuel for 70 liter and 500 milliliter is a fuel station is having for total amount of fuel. Then he is selling for 35 liter for 700 milliliter. So arranged one by one milliliter and liter. Then you do for asking here left after selling. So how much you left remaining? So you do for subtraction. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 7 is not possible. So borrowing here. So before the number 0, so before you ask. So here 6, this 10. This 10 is given here 15. So this 10 is changed for 9. So this is carefully you do children. This concept easy to find out. You easy to accept your mind and recognize this. Easy whenever you can do for 0 is coming in between the number. Easy to find out the answer. So 5 is changed for 15. 15 minus 7. 8. 9 subtract 5. 4. 6 subtract 3. 3. So write the answer now. 34 liter 800 milliliter. The next one. A pot contains 9 liter 500 milliliter of water. How much amount of water will such 7 such pot contains? One pot is having for 9 liter and 500 milliliter. Asking here such 7 pots. So totally you do for multiplication. So do now 0 multiply 7. 0. 0 multiply 7. 0. 7 5s are 35. 5. 3 is carry over. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 6. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 3. 66. So, a pot of water is 9 liter, but 7 such pot contain the water is 66 liter 500 milliliter. The next one. 25 liter 500 milliliter of milk is filled in 5 cans. So 5 can filled for 25 liter and 500 milliliter of milk. How much amount of milk is filled in each can? So one can is having how much amount of milk? That's why you do now division. So 5 can is having the total quantity is given for 25 liter and 500 milliliter. So 5 can milk is filled. So you do for division for how many can? 5 cans. So divided by 5 cans. 5. So do for 5 table. Okay. Then take the number 25 liter and 500 milliliter. So how many times coming for 25? 5 times. 5 5s are 25. So 0. Then 50. 5 is coming for 1 time. 1 5s are 5. 5 minus 5 0. Again here 2 0 is having. This 2 0 join and write for quotient. So answer for 5 liter. Each can is having, one can is having for 5 liter 100 milliliter. This is the answer. 1 can in milk. This is for this unit 5 interconcept. Unit 5 interconcept is saying here use the time. Clock is here. Tortoise is traveling one place to another place. Given the picture example. So you travel the distance. You travel taken the time. You travel spend the money. How much to spend the money to one place to another place traveling. Charges you paid. That is use here interconcept. So here using for time, money and distance. These 3 things to do for find out the amount, how much you paid, how much you travel, how much of time you taken to move for one place to another place. That is used here interconcept. One things to another things is comparing and joining together, only you get the answer. That is problem solving. Solving the problem. So use the things for time, money and distance. So here I give the example. You are in a Chennai. So Chennai is 0 kilometer distance. But you travel for Chennai to another one native or relative or family members, friends, places. You travel that place to travel. How to travel? Start the place is 0. Then you reach the Tambaram is 35 kilometer. Example is here. Then you reach the Dindivanam 128 kilometer. Viluppuram 172. Again same things is here given for the places is vary and distance is also vary. But here given this one for in your village people are using the mile distance. Only saying for the mile. பல்லாங்கு அப்படி சொல்லுவாங்க. இல்லைன்னா மைல்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஒரு மைல் தூரம் நம்ம ட்ராவல் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஒரு மைல் தூரத்தில் அந்த பிளேஸ் இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறத மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. பட் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறது வந்து கிலோமீட்டர் அண்ட் மீட்டர் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் தான் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் யூனிட். But this one is also available or others peoples is using. So that is saying for 1 mile equal to 1.610 kilometer. This is given for approximately. So this one using the formula speed. எவ்வளோ வேகத்தில் நம்ம போயிருக்கோம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னோன்னா formula distance divided by time. எவ்வளோ வேகம் ஸ்பீடில் போயிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா distance divided by time அப்படின்னு find out பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். Another one, how much time to taken to travel. ஒரு பிளேஸ்லேருந்து இன்னொரு பிளேஸ்க்கு போகிறதுக்கு எவ்வளோ நேரம் எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா distance divided by speed. டிஸ்டன்ஸ்லேருந்து ஸ்பீடால் டிவைட் பண்ணுவோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், how much long to travel. எவ்வளோ தூரம் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் நம்ம ட்ராவல் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா speed multiply by time அப்படின்ற ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். These 3 formula only used for interconcept. So first one speed, time, distance. Only use these 3 things. Speed, time, distance. Only use for division or multiplication. You get the answer. So first one example, exercise number 5.1. Speed and time is given here. Find out the distance. So distance formula already you learn. distance formula for speed multiplied by time. So speed is given here 48 kilometer. However, timing is here given for 2 hours. So you do for 48 multiplied by 2, you get the answer for distance. So inter-concept in your classwork, ready to write speed formula, time formula, distance formula. Then you move for the exercise number 5.1. Speed equal to 48 kilometer, time equal to 2 hours. So do the formula for distance equal to speed multiplied time. So 48 multiplied time 2 hours equal to 96 kilometer. The next one 35 speed, then 3 hours. So you do for 35 multiply 3 equal to 105 kilometer. Next one 30 kilometer speed, 5 hours is traveling time. So 30 multiply 5 you do for 0. 3 5s are 15, 150. This is kilometer distance. You find out for kilometer. The next one 50 kilometer, 4 hours. So 50 multiply 4. 4 zeros are 0, 5 4s are 20, 200 kilometer. The next one 20 kilometer, 6 hours. 20 multiply 6. 6 zeros are 0, 6 2s are 12. So 120 kilometer. So this is the exercise number 5.1. You find out the distance. Here given for only speed and time. Easy to do for multiply and get the answer for distance. So distance you mentioned for kilometer. Same thing here given the word problem. Distance covered for 2 hours. Speed for 20. So you find out the distance for 20 multiplied 2 hours. 20 multiplied 2 equal to 40 kilometer. The next one 4 hours 65 mile. So 65 multiply 4 you get the answer. So directly you do for multiplication and get the answer. Okay children, you understand this concept. You find out the distance. Distance you find out and written for kilometer. That is the answer. Okay children, you try to do this one exercise. Page number 43. You complete it. Thank you children.